Hi there. If you don't know me, my name is Sonia Miller. I'm a speaker, coach, and best-selling author, and I would love to invite you to join me in the upcoming Vision Workshop, an opportunity to receive your clarity, your power, and your path forward. And just wanted to take a moment to connect with you here via video instead of just having to read this information page so I can share a little bit more about what this is all about. I am passionate about helping people connect with their power, the truth of who they really are. And all of that lies within. And now more than ever in this world, in the state of current events, it is really important that we connect with that source of our power within, because there is no illusion of being able to have any control in the physical world. So whether you're simply personally going through a time of transition, whether the current events have affected you, whether you're at a life stage where you're thinking, I feel lost, I don't know what I want, I would love some clarity, I'd love to feel confident, I'd love to see a way forward, and there's nothing in the physical world that's helping you get there, the Vision Workshop can provide you with that. So this is a step-by-step process that came to me more than 2 decades ago. I offered it as my very first workshop. I literally hung my shingle as a coach and people signed up. It was sold out. I guess the topic was very compelling, standing room only. I offered it a second time, sold out. And then my students' experiences, which mirrored my own, which is why I was offering this, was incredibly powerful. People connected with their power, their confidence, the answers arose from within their soul. They came away with a vision, and it was for all sorts of things: a vision for their life, a vision for a relationship, a vision for a job, a vision for a relationship with money, a vision for a transformed experience with their bodies. And not only did they have clarity that came from within instead of trying to find answers out there, but once their vision was complete, they started receiving, manifesting all kinds of expected and unexpected next steps, manifestations, and possibilities that were incredibly fulfilling. So that is what I'm offering here to you. It is very accessible. I wanted to make it that way so whoever needs it can access this. $97. There will be 2 3-hour trainings 1 week apart. There will be a workbook, and there will be 30 days of my support on a members-only Facebook group if you need it. But truly, this vision process is pretty quick. You do the 3-hour trainings, you complete the workbook, you put in another hour or 2 for homework, and you will have your vision. Now more than ever, this is a super powerful tool. I hope you will join me. I hope you'll invite your friends and be a part of the solution in this world. People who are walking this earth connected to their truth, knowing their path, knowing that they can connect with their North Star instead of spinning out and reacting to all of the things that are happening right now. So send your questions with the links below if you have any. Otherwise, I will see you at the Vision Workshop, and I'll also see you on the next video. Bye-bye.